As compared to environmentalist perspective, the innatist perspective, Chomsky's appearance on the linguistic scene challenged the notion of seeing reading as passive. So now let's look at how reading was considered from innatist approach or perspective. So it was challenged from 1957 to 1965 as Chomsky appeared on the scene. So it was thought to be an active skill because it's the readers who are actively constructing the meaning of the text. It's the readers who are engaging with the text, who are trying to decode the meaning of the text. And this approach or perspective criticized behaviorists, environmentalists, that reading is more than habit formation. Right. So it's more than the notion of predisposition of language acquisition. Rather, it's active, and readers' minds are involved. And we have seen in this regard the influence of psycholinguistics, as you can see the reference here. And it was seen that the context plays important role in terms of making meaning of a given text. And psycholinguistic also influenced, and the reading was considered as a guessing game. If you don't know, on the other hand, the environmentalist laid emphasis on knowing each and every word. If you don't know any word, correct it, learn its meaning, move on. But on the other hand, innatist, as influenced by the field of psycholinguistics, they used reading as guessing game. If you don't know any word, try to see the meaning from its context. So visual and phonemic features were also seen important. And if you don't know exactly the meaning, the literal meaning of the word, use your common sense. What's going on in the context? And the syntactic, if you are struggling with the syntax or at the sentential level, if you are not able to understand the whole sentence, try to see it, what's its position within the whole paragraph. So background knowledge was considered all the more important by Chomsky and his colleagues. So Krashen then saw reading by doing activity because it's all the more, it's the readers who are involved, it's the brain who are inferring the meaning, who are cueing, taking help from cues. So this is how reading was perceived to be activity. And the readers were seen as active agents. So this is how the innatist approach sees it, from more than that it rises above habit formation, it rises above correction. Rather, it's more about, understanding the text from its context.